There's a cement truck. You know they're going to come off the road fast, and they're trying to go right into. That was a good turn. She ran the light. He's speeding up. She cut off the truck. This is the cutoff game. So you have to anticipate these things. And now, what's going to happen? He cut me off. Are you learning something? I don't make this up. He cut off the semi-truck. So now you are learning. Build good habits, people. This is why I'm hoping you're watching this through the entirety. I will post some questions tonight. I'm going to get over to the middle lane. You can't let these things upset you. They're speeding to a red light. For why?
In 1,000 feet, turn left
Does
onto
not make
M3,
sense.
Gradio Avenue.
So I'm just here waiting, looking at traffic, and you see those cars speeding. It's no reason. You cut off a truck, you cut off other cars. Here's my gap. I turn. Okay, let's review.
Route recalculation.
We had cars cut us off. We had
In 700
trucks.
feet, turn left onto Briartown Boulevard.
You have to have good speed control. You can't get highly emotional because cars will cut you off. People are impatient,
Turn left.
and I try to teach my students this. So I'm going to have a complete stop. I'm looking, checking traffic, and that's a nice stop. I hope you learned something today. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.